Hello, my name is Landon and this is our Siemens PLC trainer kit, and I'll be going over how each of the 4 programs in the PLC work. So over here we have the ladder logic with the monitor turned on. So you can see that when we turn on the first selector switch, we have all of these outputs turned on. This is a program that utilizes our potentiometer, voltmeter, and our PC fan. So as we increase the voltage from our potentiometer, we can see the address increase from the analog input, and then it is converted into a memory bit for the voltmeter to be able to see, and then converted back down into a voltage here. And as we get 5 volts, works for the 5-volt PC fan, and he runs quite well. For our second program, we have a palletization of boxes. So each one of these addresses represents a box that has a uniform distance away from each other, or a uniform weight. Without anything being pressed, this sensor is reading 8400, so we based the first box off of that, and as I increase the pressure on the sensor, the lights light up representing each box. But once we reach the threshold of 23,000, we see that it overloads and it goes back and forth between the timers to let the operator know that he messed up. For our third program, we have a 2-hand touch system that I used to use at work for machines such as lathes that are pretty dangerous, that need to have mechanical hoods for opening and closing to keep the operators away. It's a fairly simple program where we input both the far left and far right push buttons for 3 seconds, and then the lights turn on, signaling that the hood has fully opened and we can work on our part, and we can close it the same way. Our last program is a fairly simple one that is a direct analog input to analog output. So that way, based on the address of the pressure sensor, we'll output the speed of the fan. The harder I press, the faster it goes. The lighter I press, the slower it goes. And to be able to use all of our LEDs throughout these programs, we have to utilize memory bits. So that way they don't overlap each other, because we have all 4 of these programs into one main program, or one project. So that way we could demo it. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time.